Over to news from Tamil Nadu. Sashikala's recent audio conversation with AIADMK workers, wherein she assured of her return, has created a huge flutter in Tamil Nadu politics. And all of this is happening at a time when there's a lot of friction that's been reported between OPS and EPS, attempts to really wrestle power within the party. EPS has been appointed as the leader of opposition. The AIADMK is going to be meeting today to pick the deputy leader of opposition.
Sasikala vowing her political rebuild AIADMK, dealing under recent poll loss and infighting.
கண்டிப்பா கட்சி எல்லாம் சரி பண்ணிடலாம்.
சரிங்கம்மா
சரி, தைரியமா இருங்க எல்லாரும்.
சரிங்கம்மா, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா நல்லா இருக்குமா. உங்களுக்காக குடும்பம் ஃபுல்லா காத்திருக்கு. உங்க பின்னாடி தான் நாங்க இருப்போம்.
சரிம்மா, சரி.
ரொம்ப நன்றிமா.
ஜாக்கிரதையா இருங்க, உங்க வீட்லயும் ஜாக்கிரதையா இருங்க.
சரிங்கம்மா.
ரொம்ப மோசமா இருக்குப்பா. ஜாக்கிரதையா இருங்க.
Chindamma's assurance to a fan now giving several aftershocks to the EPS-OPS combined. AIADMK initially dismissed it as Sasikala's conversation with an AIADMK supporter, but soon details confirmed the caller as AIADMK worker. Sasikala's possible re-entry comes even as ties between EPS and OPS is far from smooth, after EPS edged out OPS to become the leader of the opposition, ensuing a poster war. After nearly 20 such viral audio clips of a retired Sasikala, AIADMK asserts no role or relevance of her.
The majority of the cadres will go by the decision taken by the leaders. That's how this party is known. From the days of Amma, Purush Televi Amma, we'll only abide by our High Command's decision, and we'll stand by that whenever the decision is being declared open in public. As far as this case is concerned, the decision is made and declared open in public that she doesn't have a role in AIADMK, nor she can come into AIADMK.
However, the Congress, which is a ruling ally of DMK, questions AIADMK's official stand on Sasikala, asking why EPS-OPS dumped her after taking help to stabilize the party.
It's not easy to tell Sasikala is separated from AIADMK. So she is also having some say to say everything. Let the AIADMK workers decide.
Earlier, these leaders went to Sasikala's residence and invited her even though she was hesitant. Why did they go there and invite her then?
Sasikala wants the party, the AIADMK is defeated, and she thinks that she can bring it back. It is her thought. It is a infight within the party which they want to divert attention and make such comments.
Arch rivals DMK took a dig at the power tussle in AIADMK. AIADMK leaders are meeting on Monday to pick deputy leader of opposition and party whip.
After a huge discussion, AIADMK chose the opposition party leader, Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, and symbolically it's being said that he's going to be the party leader as well, which puts the question, what happened to O. Pannirselvam? Even though the party claims that everything is fine within it, Sasikala, the ousted AIADMK General Secretary, claims that nothing seems to be going in order within the party, and she is having conversations with the party cadres day after day and releasing audio clips. That's turning out to be a headache for AIADMK.
So the AIADMK meeting will be happening in some time today. Pramod Madhav is joining us live from Chennai with the latest political updates. Pramod, we know that EPS was chosen as the leader of opposition after a lot of power tussles that we really saw within the AIADMK. Is it a given that the deputy leader of opposition is going to be OPS? And is there an attempt to at least, end all of this tussle that we've been seeing, even as Sasikala has spoken very clearly that she wants to come back?
Well, Akshara, there's one thing that has been made very clear, that a party cannot have two leaders, and this is what you could see in AIADMK currently, because OPS is the coordinator of the party, making him the first person in the party, but however, he could not be the chief minister, and he also could not be the opposition leader currently. Imagine the party is having a huge discussion and arguments over who could be the deputy opposition leader and the assembly whip. That's the kind of issue over there. When we put forward this question as to what is exactly happening inside AIADMK, senior leaders said nothing, everything is fine. But imagine Sashikala, who you cannot omit out of AIDMK. She is coming forward and saying that nothing is fine within the party and there is infighting which is actually destroying the party. So right now there is a three-phase fight for AIDMK leadership, and this is where EPS and OPS want to very clearly negate that Sasikala has nothing to do with it. However, OPS has not come forward directly to say that Sasikala has nothing to do with it. Only EPS faction is giving us this answer. Today also it is expected that only EPS faction will have the upper hand in choosing the deputy opposition leader and the assembly whip, which would go in favor of Team Sasikala.
All right, let's see what really comes out of that meeting. Pramod, thank you very much for joining.